Do you want to get this amazing theme on your phone? Let's do it. Right now. What's up YouTube? The developer here. Today I have found for you guys this Galaxy S9 theme. As you can see, it's look like the Galaxy S9 interface. There is a lot of differences. You can get the full look of that phone. The same wallpapers, the same colors, and the same icons. If you have the latest experience on your phone, you have probably the same lock screen. So you have also the new messages icon. And if you want to get the full ported app, the video tutorial link is in the description. You can install them and get the full app without this theme. Beginning with the stats, the colors are almost the same. The settings icon is in the full Experience 9 look. Also in the side of the app we have the same look. Look, this theme is not like the others. If you focus on the top you will see that there is no customization. Unlike other S8 themes, this one is better. If you know others, please kindly introduce them to me. A comment would do the trick. Many default updates have been reported for this theme, so enjoy the full new experience. The Messages app has new options. By comparing it with the old one, it has a new design, as well as a round bar and a new color. And a lot of changes have been made for this application. Comparing it with the other version, there is a remarkable development, hoping they will report new changes for other apps. If you like what I have presented to you, please click on like button because it helps me a lot and gives me the courage to continue. If you have any suggestions, propose them to me. Click on the link in the description and download the theme. And if you encounter problems, you can contact me or leave a comment. That is easy. And all you should do next is go to My Files and install the theme. Of course, you will find it in the download folder. It's a zip file. Click on zip and it will give you a new folder. After doing that, you want to install it the most normally of the world and it will be done. Of course, just after I'm going to stop this theme to have it forever. For that you have to download package Disabler Pro and install it to stop themes apps. I will leave you the download link in the description. After downloading it, install it, and if you do not know how to do it, I will let you the tutorial link in the description below. Okay, now look for the themes applications and disable them. As you are seeing, it is very easy. And that's all you have to do, so you can enjoy the mystery of the S9 theme on your phone. And that will be everything for today, my friends. Hoping to find you next time in another video. If this is your first time here and you want to get good performance on your phone, start right now by subscribing and clicking the bell.